Hi guys, in today's video, we'll discuss how to use your Exxon Mobil rewards at the pump to save money on fuel. Watch until the end to learn more about this simple process. You can redeem your Exxon Mobil rewards points at the rate of 100 points per dollar. Here's how to do it at the pump. First, visit a participating Exxon or Mobil gas station. Once there, enter your phone number, select the number of points you wish to redeem, enter your PIN, and then fill your car. Alternatively, you can swipe your physical Exxon Mobil rewards card and choose the number of points you want to redeem. Additionally, you can use the Exxon Mobil rewards app for a seamless experience. Here's how: visit a participating gas station and open the Exxon Mobil rewards app. If you haven't already, log into your account. Then, click Pay at Pump Tap, activate pump, and enter the pump number. You can also add a car wash if desired. Next, navigate to Redeem Rewards and select the dollar amount of savings you want to apply. Choose the fuel grade and start pumping. Once you're done, you'll receive your receipt directly in the app. So there you have it. That's how you use Exxon Mobil rewards at the pump. Thanks for watching, and until next time.